Hi, I'm Pranit. Now I'm going to explain question number 3 of MAT 104 and SEM.
So question number 3, find the motion of mass spring system modeled by the ODE and initial condition y double dash plus 25y equals to 24 sin t, where y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 1. So sketch the graph of solution curve. In addition, sketch or curve the graph of yp to see when the system practically reaches the steady state.
So guys, question number 3. So given y double dash plus 25y equals to 24 sin t, where y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 1. So the transient motion of the mass spring system, that is y of t equals to yh of t plus yp of t. So let's find yh of t. We know that the characteristic equation of this is lambda square plus 25 equals to 0, this one. So let's find the roots of this equation, that is, now we can write this as lambda square minus 5i whole square, that equals to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus ib, a minus ib, where a equals to 0 and b equals to 5. We know that phi 1 of t e power at cos bt, phi 2 of t e power at sin bt. So e power 0 into t cos phi t, e power 0 into t sin phi t. So we get cos phi t sin phi t. So the general solution of the given equation, that is yh of t equals to c1 phi 1 t plus c2 phi 2 t, where c1 into phi 1 t is what? Cos phi t, plus c2 into phi 2 is sin phi t. So this is equation 1. Now the steady state oscillation motion of the mass spring system is given by yp is equal to a cos t plus b sin t. So let's calculate yp dash and yp double dash. So yp dash is minus a sin t plus b cos t. Yeah, I am differentiation with respect to t. And y double dash is minus a cos t minus b sin t. Now let's substitute this in the given equation. Y double dash plus 25y equals to 24 sin t, where y double dash is minus a cos t plus minus b sin t. So we get the equation minus a cos t minus b sin t plus 25 into a cos t plus b sin t equals to 24 sin t. So we get 24 a cos t plus 24 b sin t equals to 4a cos t plus 8 sin t. Now let's equate the coefficients of cos t and sin t on both sides, where we get 24a equals to 0 and 24b equals to 24. So a we get as 0 and b we get as 1. Hence the steady state motion where yp of t is equals to sin t. So the transient motion of mass spring system is y of t equals to c1 cos phi t plus c2 sin 5t plus sin t. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. So we get y of t equals to minus 5c1 sin 5t plus 5c2 cos t plus cos t. Now we need to determine C1 and C2 from IVP, where from the given condition at the starting, where y of 0 equals to 1 and y dash of 0 equals to 1. So y of 0, that is this one, equals to 1 and y dash of 0, which is this one, equals to 1. So by comparing, we get 1 is equals to c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0 plus sin 0, and 1 equals to minus 5c1 sin 0 plus 5c2 cos 0 plus cos 0. So we get 1 is equals to c1 and 1 is equals to 5c2 plus 1. So we get c1 equals to 1 and c2 is equals to 0. So therefore the particular solution is y is equals to cos 5t plus sin t.
So this is the graph. The second one is the graph of yp, comma t. Thank you.